Welcome back, girls and boys. This is Santa Claus again. I wanted to show you some things that my elves have made. This is a wonderful, wonderful kit to make a birdhouse. Do you know what a birdhouse is? It's a place where birds live. I'm sorry. Santa finds that very funny. This is something that you may find under your tree some Christmas, just as it was your grandparents and maybe your great-great-grandparents. This has been around for a long time, but my elves like to add little things. They're tricky, those elves. They do all sorts of magical things at the North Pole, and I'm excited to tell you all about it the next time I see you. Bye-bye. Jingling, 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 jingling.